here we are doing it again, but it's okay because it's 2025 and we're holding ourselves accountable, right?
Nah. Rainbows, sunshine, everywhere I go. Rainbows, sunshine. Rainbows, sunshine.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria and I wanted to create my introduction video. I've been saying I was going to do it for months now and here we are. This is actually not my first time on YouTube. I actually did YouTube like 15 years ago.
What?
Then I did it again like, I don't know, 8 years ago. And then I did it again like 5 years ago. And here we are doing it again. But it's okay because it's 2025 and we're holding ourselves accountable, right?
Nah.
So this channel is going to consist of everything from learning how to navigate in life, as a young adult, definitely mom life and the ups and downs of that. I have so many tips and tricks that would make mom life a whole lot more enjoyable for us moms. I feel like society puts a lot of pressure on us. And let's be honest, we put a lot of pressure on ourselves to be the best moms that we can be. So I'm just here to share a couple of tips and tricks that would make mom life maybe a little bit easier for you all. Definitely food. Because I love to eat. Victoria loves to eat. Oh my gosh, I love to cook. I love to bake. I love anything that's food related. So I'll definitely be including that on my channel. And then I feel like one of the biggest things that I do want to include on this channel is my healing journey. That's been a big part of my life as of recently. And I feel like there's a lot of things that I can share that would help a lot of us in multiple different aspects. And yeah, so if you guys want to come along this crazy, chaotic journey of mine, just make sure that you guys hit that like button and that subscribe button.
Oh my God.
Subscribe button so that you guys can see my lovely face again, of course. And I will see you guys in the next video.